You know, there's no endangered land animals in the Tongass National Forest, but all animals are important to a healthy ecosystem. Now let's go to Alaska to see what some of the animals they have there. Patty.
Thanks, Sandy. I get to introduce another temperate rainforest expert right now. I have with me Dr. Dave Person. Dave is a research wildlife biologist with the Alaska Department of Fish and Game. Dave, could you tell us a little bit about temperate rainforest ecology and the animals that live here?
Thanks, Patty. This temperate rainforests are some of the rarest ecosystems on Earth, and the animals and plants that live here are heavily influenced by the sea, by the cool climate, by the rainy weather, and by the mountainous terrain. And in fact, it's a good example of that. This stream that's next to us here, which is swollen by heavy rains, provides habitat for spawning salmon that come in out of the ocean, swim up here, lay their eggs, and they die. And of course, the heavy rains provide plenty of water for those fish to come up here and spawn. Well, the dead carcasses of those salmon provide tremendous input of nutrients to all the plants and trees along these streams. In fact, during years of high salmon runs, trees tend to grow faster and better. Those salmon, alive and dead, also provide tremendous food resource for bears, black and brown bears, which require that food in order to provide for hibernation during the winter months. And finally, these forests themselves affect the fish because the old trees decay and die. They fall into the streams. They create deep pools that salmon, that some of the species that overwinter for several years in fresh water, can use as habitat during those winter periods.